Do you ever find yourself struggling to make the right decisions in life? Well, today. In this video, we will delve 7 fundamental steps. We will explore the Stoic principles that will inspire and empower you to make the right decisions with confidence. Step 1. Avoid excessive rumination. Balancing thoughtful consideration with decisive action is crucial when making choices. Weighing the pros, cons, and consequences, while exploring all available options, ensures a well-informed decision. However, overthinking can hinder progress. It's essential to reach conclusions without excessive rumination. Overthinking may lead to decisions outside your norm, causing unnecessary stress. Moreover, it introduces doubt into your decision-making process, potentially affecting future choices. When faced with uncertainty, step back, clear your mind, and return with renewed clarity. Ruminating endlessly over past decisions or potential future outcomes can paralyze us with anxiety and indecision. Stoicism teaches us to focus on the present moment and avoid getting entangled in unnecessary worries. By accepting what lies beyond our control and redirecting our attention to the present, we can free ourselves from the burden of rumination and make decisions with a clear mind. One common trap in decision-making is excessive rumination, where we endlessly analyze and regret past choices or fret about future outcomes. Stoicism teaches us to focus on the present moment and accept the things beyond our control. By recognizing the futility of rumination, we can free ourselves from the burden of indecision and concentrate on what we can influence the present moment. Step 2. Prioritize self-care. To make the right decisions, we must prioritize self-care. Stoics recognize that our ability to think clearly and act virtuously is intimately connected to our physical and mental well-being. Engage in activities that nurture your mind, body, and spirit, such as exercise, proper nutrition, quality sleep, and hobbies that bring you joy. By prioritizing self-care, you lay the foundation for better decision-making and a fulfilling life. Taking care of ourselves is crucial for sound decision-making. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-discipline, maintaining physical health, and nurturing our mental well-being. By prioritizing self-care practices such as exercise, meditation, and adequate rest, we cultivate the clarity and vitality needed to make informed choices. Making sound decisions requires a clear and calm mind. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-care, both physically and mentally. Prioritize activities that promote well-being, such as exercise, meditation, adequate rest, and a healthy diet. By taking care of ourselves, we cultivate the resilience necessary to approach decision-making with clarity and composure. Step 3. Distance yourself from the circumstance. In making important decisions, it is crucial to create emotional distance from the circumstance. Stoics advocated for cultivating an inner sanctuary where we can retreat from external influences and reflect on our choices with objectivity. By detaching emotionally from our circumstances, we gain clarity and perspective, allowing us to make decisions guided by reason rather than reactive emotions. When faced with challenging decisions, it is crucial to step back and gain perspective. Stoicism encourages us to detach ourselves emotionally from the circumstances at hand. By distancing ourselves, we can observe the situation objectively, making it easier to evaluate options and potential outcomes more rationally. Stoicism encourages us to step back from the situation at hand and view it from a broader perspective. By detaching ourselves emotionally and intellectually, we gain a clearer understanding of the factors influencing our decisions. This practice helps us avoid being consumed by subjective biases and enables us to make rational and objective choices. Step 4. Embrace and learn from your errors. Embracing our errors and failures is an integral part of making the right decisions. Stoics believed that mistakes are opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Rather than berating ourselves for past decisions, we should embrace them as valuable lessons. By adopting a growth mindset and learning from our errors, we cultivate resilience and the ability to make better choices in the future. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the human experience. Stoicism teaches us to view errors as opportunities for growth rather than sources of shame. When we embrace our mistakes, we develop resilience and gain valuable insights that help us make better decisions in the future. Accept and learn from your errors, for they are the stepping stones to wisdom. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the human experience. Stoicism teaches us to view errors as opportunities for growth rather than sources of shame. When we embrace our mistakes, we develop resilience and gain valuable insights that help us make better decisions in the future. Accept and learn from your errors, for they are the stepping stones to wisdom. Making mistakes is an inevitable part of life. Stoicism teaches us to embrace our failures and view them as opportunities for growth and learning. By accepting responsibility for our mistakes, we can analyze them objectively and extract valuable lessons. Embracing a growth mindset allows us to make better decisions by avoiding repetitive errors. Step 5. Explore alternative perspectives to your choice. Stoicism teaches us not to be bound by our own limited perspectives. Expand your understanding by considering alternative viewpoints and possibilities. Seek out diverse opinions, engage in open dialogue, and challenge your assumptions. By broadening your perspective, you enhance your ability to make well-informed decisions that consider the collective good. Stoicism advocates for cultivating empathy and considering alternative viewpoints before making decisions. By actively seeking different perspectives, we widen our understanding and become more open-minded. This practice helps us avoid tunnel vision and make decisions that consider the diverse needs and values of others. Step 6. Seek constructive feedback. Wise decision-making often requires input from others. Seek counsel from trusted mentors, friends, or experts who can provide objective feedback. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of humility and recognizing that wisdom can be found beyond ourselves. Constructive feedback helps us identify blind spots and make more informed choices. Feedback from trusted individuals can provide invaluable insights and help us recognize blind spots. Stoicism teaches us not to fear criticism, but rather to appreciate constructive feedback as an opportunity for improvement. By humbly seeking feedback, we can refine our decision-making processes and make more informed choices. Learning from others is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. To make the right decision, actively seek constructive feedback from trusted friends, mentors, or experts in the field. Engaging in meaningful discussions and considering differing viewpoints nourishes your intellect and guides you in making wiser choices. Embrace the wisdom gained from others' experiences, incorporating it into your decision-making process. Step 7. Offer yourself guidance. Stoicism encourages self-reflection and introspection as a means of guiding our decisions. Take time to identify your core values, ambitions, and aspirations. By aligning your choices with these fundamental guiding principles, you ensure decisions that are in harmony with your authentic self. Trust your instincts and allow your inner values to lead the way. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-reflection and introspection. By regularly taking time to examine our thoughts, emotions, and desires, we can identify patterns and make conscious decisions in alignment with our core values. The practice of journaling and engaging in self-dialogue fosters self-awareness and helps us navigate decision-making with integrity and clarity. Step 8. Regulate your emotional responses. Our emotions can heavily influence our decision-making process. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate emotional resilience and regulate our responses. By practicing emotional detachment, we can make decisions that are less influenced by transient emotions and more guided by reason and wisdom. Strong emotions can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decision-making. Stoicism teaches emotional regulation, allowing us to master our emotions rather than being controlled by them. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness, learning to detach from intense emotions before making important decisions. Cultivate tranquility amidst the storm of emotions. Emotional intelligence plays a vital role in decision-making. Stoicism advocates for maintaining emotional equilibrium, allowing reason to guide our choices rather than being swayed by fleeting emotions. Practice emotional regulation and self-control by cultivating mindfulness and acceptance. By detaching yourself from excessive emotional fluctuations, you approach decisions with clarity and rationality. Step 9. Adhere to your core. Values integrity is at the heart of Stoic philosophy. Making the right decisions requires living in alignment with our core values. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of virtuous action and the pursuit of excellency. By consistently upholding our values, we cultivate inner harmony and make decisions that reflect our highest ideals. Stoicism encourages us to define and live by our core values. When faced with complex decisions, aligning our choices with our values provides a compass for making the right decisions. By staying true to our principles, we ensure that our decisions are in harmony with our authentic selves. Living in accordance with your core values ensures that your decisions align with your principles. Stoicism encourages virtuous living and reminds us of the importance of integrity, honesty, and wisdom. Let your decisions be a reflection of your deepest values and convictions. Approaching choices with moral virtue cultivates a sense of fulfillment and a life well lived. By applying the spiritual teachings of Stoicism, we can transform our decision-making process into a source of personal growth and wisdom. Avoid excessive rumination. Prioritize self-care. Distance yourself from circumstances. Embrace and learn from errors. Explore alternative perspectives. Seek feedback. Offer yourself guidance. Regulate emotional responses and adhere to core values. Remember, the journey of making the right decisions is a lifelong learning process. May the wisdom of Stoicism illuminate your path and empower you to navigate life's choices with clarity, purpose, and tranquility. The teachings of Stoicism provide a depth of wisdom and resilience necessary for making the right decisions. By following these 9 fundamental steps, avoiding excessive rumination, prioritizing self-care, distancing oneself from the circumstance, learning from errors, exploring alternative perspectives, seeking feedback, offering self-guidance, regulating emotional responses, and adhering to core values, one can navigate the complexities of decision-making with clarity, confidence, and a sense of purpose. Embrace the teachings of Stoicism and embark on a journey towards making the right decisions that align with your highest virtues and lead to a life of tranquility and fulfillment.